You're about to enter a magical temple. Your team. Play alone with both characters or invite a friend to play with you. We finally managed to sneak into this temple. Who would have thought? Did you think it would be so easy? Where did that voice come from? Now you can't leave this temple, Muahahaha. Wait. Maybe if I follow you, that will be useless. Thankfully no. You're right. Wait. Instructions. Move the distance indicated on the gear both left and right and lower the levers. Use the interaction button to lower the levers, enter doors, press buttons or pick up objects. Excellent. How is it possible? The apps. Now I understand. Exactly. In our case, since we move 3 units from 0 to the left and the right, the distance traveled is the same. Wait a minute. And this is not all. That's impressive. Thank you. All right. You got it right this. Let's see if you can handle this. Press the up key twice to make a double jump. Excellent. Excellent. Level up! You found the rune of the serpent. This rune is inlaid with gold. Take the torch of the number indicated on the fountain. Use the interaction key to pick up and drop objects. Level up! You found strange mirror. A strange mirror that reflects nothing. No. With a. That reminds me, I have. Wait, how? It's very simple. It is written. Excellent. I get. Exactly. For example, vertical bar for vertical bar. Stop teaching and learning. Minions, get them. Don't let them escape. Use the interaction key near the buttons to press them. Excellent. Excellent. Level up! You found gold ring. If you wear this ring, you will be completely invisible, or at least it makes you think so. Level up! You found cosmic lemon. This lemon has a very mysterious galaxy on its skin. Wow, it was easier. Hey, who turned off the light? Why is it? Holy jumping brock. Maybe going back to the air. Oh, look. Yes. What? Oh, were you thinking that we? But how will we know which one? By understanding the numbers on the number line with the smaller number. And how do we apply? Easy. Temperatures below. I understand. Then temperature. Exactly. I get it. Danger. Throw to the boss ice cubes or lava stones of the course. Remember, the order of the numbers on the number throws temperatures below 0 degrees Celsius. Throws temperatures higher than 0 degrees. Try again. Oh no. The boss has made you fall to the void. Throws temperatures lower than -10 degrees Celsius. Throws temperatures higher than 20 degrees Celsius. Throws temperatures below 10 degrees Celsius. Level up! You found the broken sword of destiny. If you bite it, your destiny will be revealed. You've been lucky so far, but you won't. Make sure you don't pick. I feel like this will be a piece of. Why do you say that? Don't worry. The one next to that symbol, greater than. Yes. If we hang from the correct rope. I think that I understand. By following the same ropes. Remember that on the number line, the first symbology. Less than. To hang from a rope, jump on it. To get off, press the interaction button. Excellent. 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 Level up! You found the good job. When comparing rational, the absolute value of -3, the absolute value of -4 is 4, and the absolute value of 4 is 4. Both share the same absolute value since they are equidistant from 0. Excellent. 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 Level up! You found Math Magic Book. This ancient book. You're irritating. But you won't escape this. Apparently we're not the. I hope that we're the last. This is the fate of those. I have noticed that. Treasures? Silence. Let's see if you are smart enough. Hey. I am In order to know who has a greater debt, we must compare the accounts of each prisoner. I understand now. As we have learned, the absolute value can be. Debt is money that you owe or the amount. If we apply the for example, a prisoner with a debt of the absolute value of minus. So, the prisoner who. I get it. So if the prisoner. Exactly. Now let. Dungeon. Compare the accounts of the prisoners. Debt is money that you owe or the amount of money that. Use the absolute value on the prisoner's debts to know. Place both characters on a button and press the interaction key. Excellent. Who owes the most? Excellent. Who owes the least? Excellent. Who owes the least? Excellent. Who has the most money? Excellent. Who has a positive balance? Excellent. Who has the least amount of money? Excellent. You found strange pink egg. It looks like something. I'm tired of you. The exit is that way. Get out of here. I don't ever want to see. How rude of him to throw us out of it. He should. Finally. Who would have thought it? That was a great adventure, all thanks to you. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Yes, you. You've been a great help.